What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Tyler. The truck here is the Sandworm. Long name is Desert Sandworm. But we've had a lot of fun installations this week, or not this week, but this month. We've had the light bar, and we've got a suspension coming up. This one's more of a simple one. Lasfit sent me over some LEDs for the reverse lights here, and I'm going to show those reverse lights here on the screen of what they are now, and then we'll install these, and I'll show you what they look like with the LEDs in place. But for this job, I believe there are 2 screws here, and they are T15 torque bits, whatever you call it. I believe we just got to take those out, and the taillight should come out, and then we take out the reverse bulb and put in the new one. I'm just doing the reverse lights this time around. Thanks to Lasfit for sending these, and I'll drop my code down below for a discount on their website. Lasfit is good quality LED lights. I've had them on a Tacoma and a Honda Civic, and they have yet to fail me. So definitely check them out. So you can kind of see those reverse lights there, kind of more of an orangish amber type color. These LEDs should be more white, more vibrant. But let's go ahead and open the package and see what we got in here. And there's our bulbs right there. So these should fit. These are size T15 on their website, so check those out. And we're going to unscrew this one real quick and see if they don't fit how they should. Okay, we got this unscrewed. What I'm thinking is the taillight should just pull straight back out, and it feels like it's connected somewhere else in here, maybe? Maybe it just clipped in. Yeah, there it goes. Oh yeah. So there's your bulbs right there. It's all clipped in. You just pull it straight out like I thought. So we should be able to, I think we should be able to just replace these bulbs right here. Yeah. So there's the old bulb. And then we're going to pull that out like so. And I should have opened these up first. And these lights say no polarity, so that just means that you can put these in either way, any direction, and they'll work. So we're gonna put that in there. Got those locked into place. We're gonna slide this back in. Like that. And then I'm not gonna tighten anything down quite yet, because I'm gonna put these in reverse so we can kind of see what they look like. And I need to turn my Bluetooth off so it doesn't connect to the truck real quick. This one's got the new Lasfit LED. This one is still the factory incandescent or halogen or whatever it is. Whatever this little guy is. So let's. Okay, and there you have it. There's the LEDs. I haven't seen what they look like yet. I'm about to watch it on the video for myself, but if I watch the video and I like them, I'm gonna put the other one in and tighten everything down. I haven't put the screws in there yet, but let me check this video out. Okay, so definitely like the look of the Lasfit LEDs better than these factory. I would recommend keeping your factory ones just in case for emergency. For some reason the LEDs go out. I know LEDs last a long time, but you never know. Put them in a drawer somewhere, keep them. But I'm gonna tighten this taillight back up, and then I'm gonna do the other taillight, and then that'll be it for this episode. But hit that like and subscribe, and don't forget about the soft cover giveaway. July 1st, I'll be shipping that out. Go buy you a sticker or a t-shirt. But yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of these tightened down. So before I end the video, I just want to show you guys how these taillights pull out. So they are held on by just these two screws. But you pull them straight out. They're kind of clipped in, so you can kind of wiggle them a little bit, like that. Pull them, that sounds rough, but you pull them straight out and then you kind of pull them off to the side. And then just wiggle them some more, and then they come out like that. So you kind of have to pull them out to the side of the truck because they get caught on these little clips on this lip here. So you have to do that, and I pulled this out in my LEDs across the truck. So here we go, and then you just turn the bulb that you want to replace and pull that out, and then that pulls out like so. And if I can get my, I just dropped the factory bulb. Good thing I got new ones. Let's see. Might be useful to have somebody help you, your spouse or your kid or whatever, just to hold the light. But and then these LEDs just clip in, and you'll feel them, they'll snap in. And then you'll just push them back in, and you'll kind of turn them until you'll feel it, it'll go in. Eventually, you can, there we go. And then righty-tighty, like 1/4 turn, and they're tightened. And then you get past this lip right here, set them in there. Boom, push them back in. And they're clipped. Now I gotta find, these bulbs are pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna keep the factory bulbs. I'm gonna tighten this down. We've got both LEDs replaced. Lasfit is awesome. They sent me this bulbs, they've sent me that battery powered air compressor, and I'll link that video down below so you can check it out. Definitely go get you one. I have one in this truck, and I'm putting one in our Forester because it's a great thing to have. It's one of those things that it's in the vehicle, you might not need it, but you know, you might wake up one morning. I actually woke up one morning and had a slight leak in one of my tires in the truck that I had to get fixed, but I didn't have time that morning. I had to go to work, and that air compressor saved me. True story, I'm not even lying about it. That thing is amazing. I keep it in the truck. I will not take it out ever unless Lasfit comes out with a new one, and then maybe I'd upgrade, but that thing's awesome. But that's it for the video. Don't forget, I've got, you can see that box back there, that is the soft roll bed cover I'm giving away. Buy you a sticker, t-shirt, July 1st. I'll be announcing the winner in a video and shipping that out that same week. So that could be yours. Free bed cover for the price of a $10 sticker. So use the code down below in the description, free cover, so I know that you want to enter the giveaway. And that's it for this video. We got these replaced with LEDs. We got suspension coming in. Check out Lasfit's website, and I'll put my discount code below. I believe it's 15% off. Definitely check them out, get you some LEDs, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I just wanted to show when I put this in reverse, it's not even completely dark yet. I mean, it's 9 p.m. here. I'm going to bed soon, so I'm not waiting until it's dark, but it's not even dark here. And look at those LEDs, they light up that area around you. If you're thinking about switching your reverse lights or any of your lights to LED, definitely go with Lasfit. I mean, that's insane. That's almost like having a light bar back there. Yeah, definitely a good purchase if you're thinking about it. Like I said, I will drop their website below. Click that link, it'll take you to their website, and use the discount code in the description and get you some of these.